Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to VLOOKUP multiple results at once. We would be using the columns formula along with the VLOOKUP formula to look up these results at the same time. So for example, we want to look up the names or the results for maths, English, geography, chemistry, Spanish, history and computers for the student's name mentioned over here and from the data which is here. The data is here for all the students. All right. Now we want to find that. How do we do that? Is equal to, now first of all, you will have to select all the cells wherein you want to have this VLOOKUP done. Like over here, I've selected all these cells. Now, the cell from where you started remains the active cell, like this. All right. And now, without doing anything else, you simply start typing your formula. Is equal to VLOOKUP and then the lookup value. All right. Let's fix it using F4, comma, table array. Our table array is here. All right. Again, we fix it using F4, comma. Now comes the all-important column index number. Now, for the column index number, we know maths is in column 2. This is column 3, column 4. We want a formula which can give us number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on and so forth as we start copying this formula across. So for that, we have a formula called columns. Columns. Well, returns the number of columns in an array or reference. It's very simple. It returns the number of columns in an array or reference. So we start using this. How? We select from the first cell, which is the student's name, till maths. So now we know from here till here, there are just 2 columns. All right. And we now fix the first cell using F4. Now we know if the formula gets copied across, this would remain fixed and this cell would keep on stretching. So from C5, if we go away, it will become C6, sorry, D5, then E5, then F5, which means column number would keep on increasing. For here, the column number would come as 2. Here it would come as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that solves your problem. All right. So we close the bracket, comma, and we type in 0, bracket close. Actually, I made one mistake. I had to press Control Enter to get it done in all those cells together. So I'll type the formula again. Is equal to VLOOKUP. All right. VLOOKUP what? This one. Fix it. Comma. You select your table array, which is here. This table array can be in any other sheet, any other workbook. Does not make a difference. Comma 4. For column index number, we'll use the columns formula and select these 2 cells. Make the first reference cell as fixed, comma, close the bracket, comma 0, close the bracket. Now I'll press a Control Enter. So as soon as I press Control Enter, the formula automatically gets inserted in all the cells that I selected. See? Now see. Over here, what we need to look at is the column cell, okay, which is the most important thing. Here it is going from B5 till C5 over here. Over here, it will go from B5 till D5, from till E5. So it keeps on increasing one number of column and you get your result. Isn't it fun? So this is how you use VLOOKUP for multiple results at once along with the columns formula. See you in the next video.